介看英国的教师学校5年前有引进一套 VR 系统，模拟赛车会去拄到各种状况，嘛训练教练要安怎来教学员来闪卡达车甲厨房车，实际就路正情，嘛当愈练愈熟手。
英国 AA 教训学校的实习教练，带这种 VR 装置开始学安怎教别人赛车。有这种装置就袂输敢若伫咧车内底，一旦看到3D 天气的真实的道路的情形，甲模拟校园的驾驶情景互动。教训学校讲，新科技改变训练方式，实习的教练唔免亲自坐喺车顶，就能体验各种状况。
The real advantage of the VR is the fact that you are here in a classroom and you get to guarantee that you're going to see certain scenes and certain road environments that Emily is working through. But also as well, it takes the pressure off because ultimately you're in a safe environment, whereas actually if we put our instructors immediately into the car, it can be a little bit more difficult to get that full range of driving scenarios.
这套教练教训课程使用 Meta Quest 3的头挂装置，用虚拟实境 VR 技术，伫咧室内就能掌握车驶伫咧路的复杂的情形，互教练伫咧实际驾考进前就能接触到路的各种潜在危险，而且实际观察学员的驾驶反应，教因安怎闪即嘛愈来愈多脚踏车、电动厨房车甲行路的人。
Within the environment, and they can turn their head, watch our learner driver, and make sure she does everything that she needs to do before they then do their checks. And with their checks, they'll still have an instructor mirror so they can see what's behind. They have additional mirrors on their door mirrors so they can see what's happening around them.
英国这几年交通的状况，因为新增加的运输工具愈来愈闹热。英国运输部资料显示，每天骑脚踏车的行程自2012年差不多60万纸，增加到2024年的133万纸。2025年9月公布的资料显示，英国一辆租借的电动厨房车，每天平均有19500台。路边常常看到有人伫咧骑，用虚拟教学。实习教练伫咧室内会当学到安怎教学员，若拄到行路人、脚踏车抑个厨房车时阵，车要安怎驶较安全。
One of my favourite scenes in the actual in the headsets is with Emily and Jasmine driving along the high street and going through an area where there's shared space, which is often something that does confuse people.
AA 教训学校用 VR 教学已经超过5年，每年平均会当培训差不多500位新的教练，无论伫咧理论测试、实际驾驶能力，或者是教学技巧这个评估项目，效果拢明显增加。即马差不多一半的准教练拢用 VR 课程伫咧进行前期的训练。学校即马有18台 VR 装置，每礼拜上最会当训练72位学员，是英国即马唯一全部拢用 VR 进行教训教练训练的机构。公司新闻张淑芬编辑。